Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adrovvy. I'm from 12th group of KKN MMK. Uh, I'd like to present to you the presenting article entitled Training on Utilization of Organic Waste into Organic Fertilizer using the EM4 BIO-ACTIVATOR in PUTATGEDE village, KENDAL. Okay, but firstly, let me introduce to you our authors of this article. The first is myself, Artikel, and the second is Ahmad, Farchan, Mudhofar, and the third is Afandi, and the last is Tiara, Pramudhita. Let's jump into the introduction. The waste problem is one of the several problems that often occurs in Indonesia, not only in large villages with dense population, but also in remote village. According to law number 18 of 2008, the definition of waste is the residue of human daily activity and or natural processes in solid form. Organic waste is waste that has high enough water content so that it is easy to decompose. In agriculture, farmers mostly use pesticides and fertilizer that use inorganic materials. It leaves residues on the soil that can cause soil pollution. In an open natural environment, the process of decomposition of organic fertilizer can occur by itself through natural process, but it takes a long time. One way to accelerate the composition process is add bioactivator or decomposing microorganism so that the process can occur more quickly. The method of this research is the training activity in organic fertilizer production was carried out in the PUTATGEDE village meeting hall, KENDAL on July 17, 2022. The target of the training was the cadres of PKK in PUTATGEDE village. The mentoring and training will be carried out by members of the 20th group of KKN MMK. The method of this training and mentoring activity used two methods. The first is community participation method, and the second is the persuasive approach method, that is through the socialization of making organic fertilizer from organic waste to motivate PKK cadres to utilize existing organic waste into something useful, such as organic fertilizer. The material used in this training and mentoring are organic waste comprising piece of garbage, dry leaves, and bioactivator in the form of EM4 solution. The tools are used here is use banners as fertilizer composter. Okay, let's see the result. The result of this training activity for making fertilizer is that all participants are interested and enthusiastic in listening to materials about waste management and taking part directly in training on making organic fertilizer. The participants also actively ask questions related to the organic waste processing materials. So let's see the figure one. The figure one itself, it's the achievement of implementing this training activity. So from the level of achievement in understanding the material by seminar participants is good, up to 80%, and the participation of participants who ended the training reached 100%, but the result of the training in production of organic fertilizers can also be categorized as good, reaching 80%. The training achievement has not reached 100% because during training the fertilizer result cannot be seen directly and must wait 2 until 3 weeks. This causes the participant not to be able to determine the time for the end of the composting process, and the fertilizer that can be used, it can be said that it has been able to increase knowledge and skills in the community, especially PUTATGEDE PKK creators, in the processing of organic waste into new products, namely fertilizer, that are more useful and have sales value. The conclusion of this study is, with the implementation of training activity for the processing of organic waste into organic fertilizer, it can be concluded that the PKK cadres in PUTATGEDE village has gained more knowledge and skills in the processing organic waste into organic fertilizer, with the percentage of 80%. The conversion of organic waste into organic fertilizer can be reduced environmental pollution. Organic fertilizer is made by utilizing organic waste with the help of EM4 BIO-ACTIVATOR to make waste and plants useful and increase their selling value. I think enough for me. That's all from us. Thank you very much and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.